Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to email Eventbrite attendees. Here's how to email your attendees on Eventbrite. The first thing to do is to log into Eventbrite. So go to Eventbrite at eventbrite.com and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, on the Eventbrite homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, which is identified with your account email address, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Event, and that will walk you into a new window. In the new window provided, click on Event in the left-hand navigation menu to see the list of all your events. I have not created an event on Eventbrite, so there's literally nothing to show. But if you have created an event, all your events will be organized here. Now choose the event for which you want to email attendees by clicking on the specific event's title. Once you click on its title, it's going to take you to the Events Management page. In the Events Management page, look for Manage Attendees in the left navigation menu. Click on Manage Attendees to access tools related to communicating with and managing your attendees. Under Manage Attendees, find and click on Email to Attendees or a similar tab that corresponds to attendee communications. This will open the email tool for sending messages to your event attendees. Click on Create New Attendee Email to start a new message. Once you click on Create New Attendee Email, it's going to provide you with a form. Now enter a subject line for the email, then compose your message in the body section. You can include event updates, reminders, or any additional information attendees need to know. If you want to send the email to specific attendees groups, like those with certain ticket types, select the appropriate options on the recipient. This feature is useful if you have multiple ticket types or need to send targeted information. After composing your message, click Preview to see how the email will appear to attendees. And once you're satisfied with the message, click Send to email your attendees. After sending, you can return to the Email to Attendees section to review sent emails, manage drafts, or schedule additional messages if necessary. Your email will now be sent to the selected attendees, helping you to stay connected and informed throughout the event planning and execution process. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.